Okay, there's a few other tools that I want to make sure that you have. So the first one is going to be the Desmos graphing calculator. Please make sure that you have that one downloaded. MathPad is kind of cool because it's like it helps you to write math formula looking stuff, so that might come in handy for presentations. As far as Microsoft apps, you really don't need these. The only one I would say that could possibly help, it might be PowerPoint, but that would be just a view of PowerPoint. Not really a big deal whether you have those or not. You do want to make sure that you create a link to the myPLTW site on your home page, and you also have the Canvas web. Yeah, make sure you have the web version. We do not want to use the app for Canvas. Doesn't really help at all. To create a shortcut from Safari, so if I go to like the myPLTW.org, that's where we're going to access a lot of stuff this year. So just type in my.pltw.org and it'll send you here. And then if you want to create a link on the home screen, you're just going to click the share button. And you can see there's a link right here, or a selection right there that says add to home screen. As soon as you add to home screen, it'll pop up on your home screen. Mine's right there. You can, again, that's pretty much what this Canvas web thing is right here as well. Trying to think what else I want to make sure that you have. Obviously, you have the app portal, so there are other apps you can download to the app portal. I try not to use Keynote and stuff like that because Keynote just is not going to mesh well with our Google stuff, and I'd rather be able to tell what the heck you've been making. Notability can definitely be helpful, especially as we talk about an engineering notebook, so you might want to keep Notability handy. I do not have it in a super handy place, actually, so maybe I'll put it right there for now. What else? I think that is pretty much it as far as that goes. Yep. iMovie could be good if you are going to maybe create some iMovies or some videos, but that would be just about it.